Hello, welcome on my channel. Few weeks ago I uploaded how I'm solving Rubik's Cube. In this video I will guide you how to solve it. Firstly, let's mix our cube. You can follow my movements. To begin, let's concentrate on those middle colors. We must do cross with matching centers. You can see all matches perfectly. Now the corners. All corners must fit with other colors. Now it's the effect which we wanted to have. Congratulations! You've just solved the first layer. Now flip the cube. We want to fit this red and blue color. To do it, let's copy my moves. Turn the upper layer right and then copy those moves which you see. Apply this for all corners. Great, you've just got second layer. Third layer we can divide into 3 steps. First step is to make again matching cross. Let's copy my movements. You can see how it should look like. For the next move we need to have matching corner in the back right. But firstly, let me repeat this movement which I showed seconds ago. We do it until we have matching cross. And when you did it, congratulations! Small steps left. We put matching corner to the right back. If you don't have any matching, don't worry. Repeat some movements which I do now until you have all corners matched. Here you can see 2 corners matched. Turn cube down. Make sure that the yellow part is on the left, like in the video. Copy my moves. And you did it! Congratulations! You did it! You can go for ice cream. If you like the video, click like and subscribe button. It will motivate me for more content, and see you next time.